Good morning, you guys. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm getting ready to meet up with some childhood friends of mine. I haven't seen them in forever. I was friends with these girls from elementary school days, and it's so cool that we still want to meet each other, right? It's like wouldn't think that, you know, these elementary school friendships wouldn't work, but yeah, so I'm meeting up with them. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm getting ready right now, and then I will meet up with them, and then we'll go from there. I'll be going in with this cute AF palette from ColourPop. So this is like super cute right here. Also be going in with this ColourPop State of Mind or Golden State of Mind palette, and I'm just gonna go into this nice brown shade over here. I'm gonna be using a lot of ColourPop in here today. On our way to meet up with the girls. Well, just me mostly, but I am excited yet nervous because I haven't seen them in so long. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to expect, but I'm super excited to see them again. Alright, you guys, say hi. Hi. You're gonna be on my YouTube.
Oh my god. It's from memory.
Eating, yeah. We're just eating. Meeting with some old friends.
Yeah, super old friends.
Yeah, I know, right? Elementary days.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oak Ridge.
Right? Back from seeing the girls, and it was so nice to see you all again, ladies. And it's just so cool to see how old we are now, and like so many things happening to each other's lives and stuff. So I really enjoyed it, and I want to thank Burry so much for bringing us all together. And it was just really nice talking about each other and catching up in each other's life. So now we're on our way to IKEA. I'm trying to get another table for my beauty room so I can set up my filming station. And yeah, I'm not really sure where else. And also want to go to the container store to get more containers for my makeup. So we are trying to find parking right now. It's crazy in IKEA right now. So there's like no parking. Those people?
Yes, no?
Yeah. Oh, that one.
That's not. That's like a handicap one.
Oh, was it? Ah, shit. I guess we'll just wait on this one then. Super gloomy day today. Alright, we are walking to IKEA. Let's see what's good. Hopefully there's a table for me. Yes. No. We'll see. Couches. Follow the arrows. Hey, where are the arrows? Oh, it's a nice room over here. Trying to find a table. No luck. $1.99 for this one. Nope. Too pricey. I don't mind yours, but the other one looks really small.
But that one, I don't know. I feel like that one over there is smaller than what I got at home.
Looks smaller, right?
That one over there, yeah.
Yeah.
And I know when I'm carrying it, like it's as tall as me. That one seems shorter.
I don't know where it could be then. The kitchen is always my favorite area to go. Well, our favorite area. So, I love the aesthetics of this room. The colors and the black marbles. We're in line waiting for the food. No meatballs.
You don't like it? I like it.
No, I'm not really a fan of their meatballs.
I like it.
Somebody got their food. What did you get?
Chicken cordon bleu.
That mashed potato is so round. She also got this cake over here. Outside. Grab the pieces for my storage, because this is how the thing is gonna look for my makeup. So hopefully it fits in my room. Ready? Let's go. Next we have the Container Store. I highly suggest you getting these if you're gonna store your makeup. Hello. Stop.
Well, decals.
It's cute. Oh. Did we already have a thingy for that? Just wonder if it got cracked. Uh-oh, I think it's all gone. They only have the double one here. Actually, just that one cracked.
Why'd you get this and just split it?
Oh yeah. Well, this one is that the one?
I don't know. Up here.
Divided into 4. Oh, yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Wait.
No, it's different size, baby.
Is it the? Yeah, that's a small. Yeah, that's the smaller one. That's the smaller one. Just get the bigger one, and I'll just split it into 4. We are back home. He's all looking up. Hi, little guy. Did you miss us? Oh, hi. So cute. I missed him.
Oh, buddy.
But my plan right now is I'm probably gonna take a nap. I've just been so exhausted, and I just feel like I need one right now to be able to function properly. So yes, I'm gonna go do that, and then she's gonna build my little makeup storage area. So when I wake up, I'll be able to organize my stuff. And yeah, Just gonna hang out with this little guy for a little bit. And then we'll be off to take a nap.
Oh boy. Buddy. Too great.
What is wrong with you, buddy?
What
Oh my gosh. Little
He's trying to
weird.
get his ball.
Cute boy. Then he runs away, as always. We've tossed stuff in here. You're about to build it, right? Yes. So I am awake, you guys. Took like a 2-hour nap. So let's just see how the progress is going over here. Hello. Here's the progress going.
I need a hammer.
Where did you put it? Let's go search for that hammer. I really have no idea where it could be because honestly, I do not touch any tools around here. But let's just go take a peek, shall we? Hi, little bud. Get the little guy over here. Hi, littleness. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, I missed you. Give me kisses. Oh, thank you, bud. Let's see. Yeah, I really have no idea where it could be. But hopefully I'll be back and we're able to find one. So we found the hammer. It was in the garage all along. And she was tripping about it. So my plan right now is to wash some dishes, and then I will hopefully she'll be done with this in time so I can organize my makeup. And yeah, because this mess is my makeup area, guys. A total mess. And yeah, we need more room in here, so I just need to organize this room a little bit better. And then yeah, I will be done. So we're gonna take a quick break and eat some papaya salad and some spring rolls and watching our Korean drama.
No.
No.
Why they gotta be so dramatic like that?
For real. So maybe you're gonna die? Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
So I measured the space from here to there.
Mm-hmm.
It's 4 feet 7.
Mm-hmm.
And I measured the table, it's 4 feet 7.
Well, so it does fit then.
It doesn't.
Wait, but you said it's
It
4'11". So you said the space was 4'11".
Yeah. To the foot of the bed, but with this included, it won't fit.
Oh no. Can't believe that's defective right here. Should we keep it?
I don't want to have to take it all down or return it though.
I know. I guess we'll just keep it. I mean, it's not too bad. It's gonna get
That's
covered
what I feel
anyways.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna put the containers here anyway, but.
Alright, so we're taking this piece off from the guest bed so it can go through. And yeah, let's see how that goes. Ugh. I'm gonna make it work. I need it. So I will find a way. If there is a will, there is a way. Yes, I'm so happy with the way we organize everything. So we pretty much moved the bed. The bed was right here. Pretty much moved it over here instead. And then my vanity table was still over there. And yeah, so all we need to do was a little organizing and shifting stuff. And it all worked out. So I'm super happy. Thank you so much, baby, for your hard work. I can't wait to put all my makeup there. I'm gonna put all my containers right there. And then I'm still gonna store some more stuff in here. So just so much more storage for my makeup stuff. So I'm super happy about it. Yes. Alright, so time to organize. So all of my drawers actually fit this whole roll. So what I'm planning to do is just to buy more of these containers, and I'll just pretty much stack them up so it goes up high. And obviously I'm also going to be utilizing this or these drawers. So there's like 6 of them, so I'm super happy about that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night just organizing. Like, look at this one, like I cannot even close it one bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna be working on this for the rest of the night. I just finished showering. I'm just gonna be sitting here and organizing. So that's it for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed my day. So this is my only day off, so I really enjoyed my day today. And yeah, I'm super happy. And thank you guys all so much for watching. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys all in my next vlog. Bye.